Hi, I'm Teacher Nick. You might remember me from such educational vlogs as How Do We Get to Costco? And Let's Travel the USA. Today, I'm here with Teacher Ken to show you 2 great American foods you can try out. I'll be making chicken tacos. What about you, Ken?
I'm gonna make tuna salad.
Sounds great. Let's begin. Hi guys. Today I went to Costco and I found a new item. It's called chicken tacos. I looked at it and said, wow, this is gonna be yummy. But do you know how to make this? I'm gonna show you. Before we make food, you should always wash your hands very well and use gloves for preparing food. As you can see, we've taken everything out of the Costco box. Let's see what we have. We have taco shells, lettuce, cheese, chicken, salsa, cilantro, and 2 lemon wedges. You know what my favorite part of a taco is? It's the cheese. Let's begin with the taco shells. These are nice soft taco shells. Now we sprinkle on some cheese. You can put on a little or you can put on a lot. I don't like too much cheese. Let's move over to the lettuce. Grab some lettuce, sprinkle it on. Now the chicken. Put as much chicken on that taco as you like. Spread it out and it looks good. Let's move over to the salsa. Grab some salsa with a spoon and spread it on the taco, just like this. Now it's time for the cilantro. The cilantro you can simply spread on the taco. Don't use too much, just a little bit. It's great flavor. Now I'm gonna add some extra taco sauce. And now you're all set. Let's wrap the taco up. Grab the soft taco shell and begin folding it over. Easy. The taco looks great. It's now time to put it in the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven for 2 minutes. Wow, the taco's done perfectly. Let's have a bite, see how it tastes. With tacos, you hold it with your both hands. It's a little messy, so be careful. It's yummy. It's really yummy. Well, making tacos is pretty easy, isn't it? Now, I'm gonna turn it over to Teacher Ken for his next food.
Well, it's me, Teacher Ken. Yeah, I watched Nick make the tacos. He didn't give me one. Now, my mouth is watering. I'm so hungry. So, I'm gonna show you how to make tuna salad. And you can have 2 kinds of tuna salads. You can have one with bread, or you can have one wrapped in the lettuce. I love this one. All right, so we begin with the ingredients. First, we have to have tuna from Taiwan, and it's really good. Then you have pepper, just to cut the salt. You have to have some peppers, also known as bell peppers. And somebody from England said it was called paprika. I don't believe that one. So bell peppers. Then you have onions. Oh, onions. And you have mustard. It's from Taiwan. You have mayonnaise. And lastly, of course, you have to have some tomatoes, right? You gotta have some fruit with all of this. Some people don't like having everything in their tuna salad. So you pick the things you like and you put them in. all right? Okay, of course you have to cut everything, so please be careful when cutting the food items, getting ready for the salad. Now first, I put the tuna in the bowl and I take the water out. I like the tuna in the water, all right? I take the water out and you can add the eggs. So you can cut them early or just throw them in there, and then when you start chopping everything up, it'll be perfect. You take some peppers. Yeah, these are good, man. And you put some peppers in there. Yeah. Let's just put them all in there. That's gonna be good. Of course, next is onions. I'm starting to get really, really hungry. I'm just gonna put half of these. I don't wanna knock anybody out while I'm talking to them. Mustard. I like 2 tablespoons of mustard. Some people don't put mustard in their tuna. 2 tablespoons is plenty. It tastes so good. Of course, you have to have mayonnaise. Gives it a sweet flavor. I put 2 strips in there. Okay. And lastly, for me, is the pepper. To me, this cuts the salt. Because the tuna, of course, is salty. Not very salty, but it's still, some people say it's too salty. I'd say enough pepper for taste, to your taste. Okay, that's everybody in there. Now we just mix it all together. Doesn't take long. Now something I like that I don't have, but I used to like with my tuna is pickles. Or in America we say relish. I've heard it called pickles here. Yeah, relish. Oh, I used to love a little relish in my tuna salad. All right. Now, you can serve it 2 ways. One way is with a piece of bread. So let me let you see this. On a piece of bread, I have the tomatoes cut 2 different ways. This one is for the bread, right? Throw some tomatoes on there. Little salad. Now, of course, you know you have the square bread in the store. So I just got this one because usually I don't eat it with bread. So I didn't want to buy all that bread. Oh, now I'm really hungry. Little tuna on there. Oh, look at that bad boy right there. Oh, that is tasty. Excuse me, I missed lunch today. That'll be a hit with the kids. The second way that I like to eat tuna is with a wrap. So you take a little lettuce leaf, load it, and I also cut the tomatoes different. Man, this is good. So I cut the squares for this wrap. You can cut them smaller. Wow, that was great. Well, I hope you enjoyed tuna salad with Teacher Ken.
Boy, that was a lot of fun. I hope you had a great time watching us make 2 great American foods, chicken tacos and tuna salad.
Make sure you wash your hands before you cook and before you eat, and be careful using knives.
That's it for us. We'll catch you in the next video. Tacos. Tacos. Tuna salad. Tuna salad. Prepare. Prepare. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Spread. Spread. Chopping. Chopping. Salty. Salty. It will be a hit. It will be a hit. Can try out. Can try out.